Sometimes she would do it where we would actually go to the specific situation. She would then tell me, okay, picture the situation in your mind. What did it look like? What did it smell like? What did it taste like? What did you hear? Just remember as much as you can about the situation. She would walk me through and help me to guide the emotions towards my logical brain to help me to process that memory. And so the nice thing about EMDR is not only does the therapist help you through this process of processing emotions that are stuck in your body, to remember the memory that's attached to that and to then process and then put it into your subconscious mind so you're not as affected. You remember that was a sad or scary situation, but you don't have the feelings associated with that situation because those have all been processed. And as she sort of taught my brain to do that, my brain started to do that more and more itself, which I thought was really interesting. It enabled me to have a tool that I could use in my day-to-day life when I got triggered, but didn't necessarily know why I'd been triggered or what a memory it was attached to.